Hello everybody, welcome to your first wormhole tutorial. For this tutorial I've already scanned down the tutorial. If you need help on scanning, check out my scanning tutorial. Here's the wormhole. When you warp to the wormhole, which is what I've done right here, the first thing you want to do is you want to show info of the wormhole itself. And this right here will tell you where it leads to, and when it says it leads to unknown parts of space, then that means it actually goes into wormhole space. And this is the second thing you want to look at. It says the wormhole is beginning to decay and probably won't last another day. That means it's good. It's got less than 24 hours, but it doesn't have less than 12 hours, from what I understand. And this right here is also a second thing you want to look at. And if it has had its stability significantly disrupted, that means a lot of ships have been through there. Now we're going to jump in here. Now for this, it's good idea to have covert ops or any type of cloaking. I happen to be walking in with a pilgrim. If it's your first time, you want some kind of cruiser type class. Usually battle cruisers are used to actually explore wormholes, but mind you that there's always pirates and whatnot in here. Now once you get up on it, after you've checked your information, you want to go ahead and jump. This will pop up and you'll say yes. Here we go. Let's hopefully there's no pirates on the other side. And we are good. Okay. Now the first thing you do when you come into a wormhole is you check your directional scan. You want to make sure it's all the way up to 360-degree angle, and this is all the way up. You just put a bunch of 9s, hit enter, and it'll automatically check it for it. And what you want to do is you hit scan, and we got no results, which is a good thing. Now what things could come up is ships, types of ships that are in here, and that means it doesn't mean that that's the only ships in here. Right now I didn't get anything. There could still be other ships in here, depending if they're out of this range or if they're cloaked. Then I cannot see them. So our next thing we want to do is, when you're by the wormhole, you want to snug up on it until you find what you want. That way, if anything appears to attack you, any other player ships, then you can just quickly jump out. And we're going to go ahead and send out some probes to do some scanning so we can find out what's in here. And we're going to put it in map mode. Now usually wormholes are a really big system. I just went ahead and put all 4 of them out, but it looks like one could cover it all. Alright, so we'll go ahead and have it scan for us. Oh, there's another thing I wanted to tell you about. I totally forgot. The second thing you want to do is you want to check the locus signature, which is this number right here, J220832. Once I copy that, as you can see, we got a lot of things in this this one. We got 4 that are 100%. Those are easily knocked out by a drake, depending on what type of class this is. Now this is the website I went to. It's this right here. I'll zoom it up for you. And you'll want to type in your locus signature right there. Okay, we got a pulsar class 3. This can be knocked out by a couple drakes. I would not solo this if I was you. It is not recommended. Then you can scan down each and every one of these. You'll have probably two other wormholes in here that could lead deeper into wormholes, or more plexes like hacking plexes, and just like a normal space you would receive, except for you get sleepers. And I don't have the ship to handle these, so I can't show you what that's actually like. I'll have to leave that for my next tutorial.